wetin go make normal human being dey fail geometric progression when you fit just punch am in calculator the way you dey punch normal addition and subtraction, you go get your answer. E dey very simple. The reason you dey fail GP na because say you no sabi punch am. You dey try solve am by yourself, dey memorize the formula and the rest of them. No waste of time. Don't forget that in our previous video, go and check my page. We use calculator solve arithmetic progression AP and we get the answer very correct. So make I teach you how to use calculator solve this one now. Look at this first question. The first question say that the second and the fifth term of a GP are 2/3 and 1/12 respectively. Then the first term is dash. So we need to find the first term here. So the first thing to do now to clear your calculator so that you will not get an error. So to clear, look at 9. 9 on top of 9 is clear. So you press shift, press 9. They will ask you what you want clear. You tell them say I want clear all of them. All are 3. So press 3 and keep pressing equal to until it is cleared. Immediately it's cleared, the next thing now to start solving. So the first thing to do for me, press mode, then press 3 because 3 is statistics. So press 3. Then geometric progression and number 6. Don't forget, say in our last video I told you that arithmetic progression and number 2. So geometric progression and number 6, I go press 6. It will ask me x and y. X and y simply means the role of x na the nth, the number of term. Y the role of y na the corresponding value. For example, here now they say that the second term is this 2/3. So if I press 2 now, I go press equal to. I will now, the next one na fifth term, press 5, press equal to. I don't put all the number of term here. Make I move to this side to put their corresponding value. The value for the second term is 2/3. I go press 2. Look at over here, over 3, press equal to. The next value here now 1/12. I go press 1/12. I go press equal to. Now as I don't press this thing now, the next thing I to calculate the first term which they asked me to calculate. How do you do it? I go press AC. The thing don't stop for my calculator, so I go press shift and press this 1 because on top of 1 na statistics again. You see I'm start. So press shift, press 1, then press number 5 and press number 5 again. So here now, any number of term where you want find, just shift to the back here. If na first term, put 1, press equal to, go give you the first term immediately. You see 1.33333. So you're by yourself, check which one here go give you 1.33333 here. So make we check them. So the first one are 1 divided by 2, that is 1/2, 0.5. The next one are 3 times 1, 3 plus 1, 4. So 4 divided by 3, sorry, 4 divided by 3, 1.333. So option B now the correct answer for this one. So maybe we go to number 2. For number 2 now, let's start again. Clear, shift 9, 3, equal to. So press mode once. Start is number 3. Then geometric progression and number 6. So now they go ask you so they say that the seventh term of a GP, this is dash. Okay, they don't give me the GP. This first one they see now the first term. This is the second term. This is the third term. So anyone you like here, you go use any two way you like, or you can even use the 3 of them if you like. But me, I prefer using 2 because of time. I can use the first term and the third term, or second term and the third term, anyone what I like. But make I use first and third. I go press 1, first term, press equal to. You go come down. If you want to use the 3 of them, press 1, 2, 3. You want to use the 3 of them. Okay, maybe we use the 3 of them. Press 2, press equal to. Press 3, press equal to. Then move to this side to put their corresponding value. The first term, the corresponding value for first term now, 16/9. So I go press 16,9. Press equal to. You go ask you the next one, minus 8/3. Press equal to. You go ask you the next one, 4. Press equal to. So as you don't put and finish, the next thing where you go do now to press AC. If you press AC, it don't stop for your calculator. So you go press shift and press 1, then press 5, then press 5 again. So what in the same way we'll find? They say we should find the 7th term. So I go shift to this side and press 7. You see I'm press equal to. Math error. What's the problem? So let's check where the problem is from. So I go start again. Press start. Press 5. Let me use, press mode, press 3, press 6. Let me use 1 and 4. This one where they positive. Let's see what will happen. 1 equal to 4 equal to. Make I put their corresponding value. 16/9 equal to 4 equal to. Then I go press my AC. Press shift. Press 1. press 5 again, shift to this side and press my 7 and press equal to. You see 9 are the correct answer for here. So make I see whether 9 dey here. 9 no dey here, so wetin become be the problem? You sure say the question dey correct? 16 over 9 I press. So try this number 2 to check if there's any problem. So make we solve number 3. For number 3 now, say they gave you the first term and the third term. You see, and first, second term, third. So they say we should get the product of M and N. So we need to find M and N first before we can get the product. M na second term, N na fourth term. So we are going to use first and third to get second and fourth. You see, so you go press mode. So clear first, make I clear first. Press mode, start na number 3, 6 na geometric progression. So they gave me the first term 1 equal to, and then the third term equal to. So you shift to this side to put their corresponding value. The first one na 4 over 3, press equal to. The second one na 1, press equal to. So press your AC so that you can get what you are looking for. So press shift and press 1. Press 5, press 5 again. So we need the first term. I go shift to this side, press 1, press equal to get the first term. So in this case now, the first term now 1.333. What will be the meaning of 1.333? If you press this SD, it will give you infraction. 1.333 now 4 over 3. So you go write them down. Say your M na 4 over 3. So you need to get your fourth term, which is N. So you go shift to this side again, come out the 1, put 4, press equal to. Then press the AC again. This one is not giving me infraction. It's supposed to give infraction so that by the time we multiply the two of them, make we check what will be the problem. Let's go again. Clear. May we clear. Mode 3, 6, 1, 3. You go to 4 over 3 equal to 1 equal to. Then press shift, press 1, press 5, press 5. So I need the fourth term. Okay, make I multiply this answer now. Make I multiply this answer by 4 over 3 and see what I go get. 4 over 3. Okay, 1.15 something. So the one that is closest here is 1. So the answer here is 1. So that's the closest. Okay, so try this one for me. Use the first and the second, or the second and the third, anyone you like, to get this one. So the next thing I'm going to teach you now how to find the sum of a GP. To find the sum of a GP, where we go find sum of a. Look at question number 6. A GP has 6 and 24 as the second and the fourth term respectively. Find the sum of the four terms. Okay, to find the sum of the 4 terms, normally we clear shift 9 3 0 equal to. So now you press mode, press 3, press 6. Then let us put, they have given us the 6 and the 24th, sorry, the second and the fourth term, sorry, second equal to, fourth equal to, and their corresponding value now 6 and 24. 6 equal to 24 equal to. So I don't punch everything here. So I need to find the sum of the first 4 terms. So what do you do? As you don't put everything here, come out and by pressing this. The next thing is to put sum. See sum on top of log. So I go press shift and press log. Sum go come out. I go press alphabet and press this X. You understand? Then press shift, press 1, press 5, press 5. So that thing go come outside. So I need the first 4 terms. So the X is moving from 1 to 4. So I go press shift, press this bracket. So comma go come outside. I go tell them I need from 1. Press shift again, press this comma. You understand? 1 to 4. The first 4 terms of the GP. So you close it. As you don't close and press equal to. You go press equal to like 3 times so that you go get the correct answer. 45 is the correct answer. Option B. The first answer where the thing go give you no go dey correct. So as you are pressing equal to repeatedly, you go come in here, go come correct. It go come give you the correct answer. So use this same method now to solve question number 7 and question number 8 for me, and tell me the answer in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like, follow us, subscribe, comment, and share to your friends. May the peace of the Lord be with you. Bye-bye.